Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You already have Dyno and proper server permissions. Now act. Open the Dyno web dashboard, choose your server, and navigate to the Auto Mod or Moderator module. This is where link controls live. Once there, enable link deletion rules and set the basic behavior to delete messages containing URLs. Make sure you choose whether to apply to roles or channels immediately, because that determines who gets filtered. You're making the rule active, not just previewing it. So confirm the toggle and proceed to refine exceptions. Once done, refine detection to avoid false positives. Use Dyno's URL detection pattern or a regex like HTTPS // to reliably catch links. This is why pattern choice matters. Broader patterns catch more but can overreach. Next, add whitelisted domains and roles so bots or staff aren't blocked. Whitelist prevents unnecessary deletions while preserving safety. Then define the automated actions. Delete the message immediately. Send a log to your chosen audit channel. And optionally, to complete setup, test thoroughly. Post links from different roles and domains to confirm behavior. If deletions don't occur, check Dyno's bot permissions in server settings. Dyno needs manage messages and read message history, and verify the module is active in the dashboard. If you see false positives, relax your regex or expand the whitelist. If links slip through, tighten patterns or add explicit domains. The key troubleshooting tip: always inspect Dyno logs and permission scopes first, because most failures trace back there.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.